As an avid motorcycle rider, there are a few things that, for sure, linger at the back of your mind, nagging you every day. You fear that there might be breakdowns. You worry about scratches. And of course, you are concerned about those costly major repairs. Or worse, finding out that your motorcycle is not in its tip-top shape when you need it the most. Here are some of the DIY tips that can make sure that your motorcycle is in tip-top condition.
Panatiliing laging malinis ang motorsiklo, hindi lang ito magiging magandang tingnan, madali mo ring malalaman kung merong mga loose na bolt and nuts. Gumamit ng malinis na tela o basahan para linisin ito. Iwasang iparada ang iyong motor sa ilalim ng araw para maprotektahan ang kulay nito. Parating i-check ang kondisyon ng iyong gulong. Simulan sa wheel balance and alignment. Siguraduhin nasa rekomendadong air pressure levels. Tingnan kung ito ay may posibleng punit o gasgas para maiwasan ng tinatawag na tire blowout. Isama mo na rin ang pag-check ng treads minsan sa isang linggo. Kung may makita kayong malaking problema, dalhin nyo ito sa inyong mekaniko. Siguraduhin nasa schedule ang pagpalit ng inyong langis or engine oil. Regular na i-check ang engine oil, dapat laging nasa tamang level. Siguradong pananatiliing laging smooth ang takbo ng motor mo. Siguraduhin malinis ang air filter. Ang air filter ang pumipigil para di sumama ang dumi at maliliit na bagay na posibleng pumasok sa inyong engine components. Inspeksyonin at palitan sa tamang schedule, lalo na kung madalas dumaan sa basa at maalikabok na lugar. Importanteng laging malinis ang kadena ng iyong motor at tama ang tensyon para maiwasan ang pagtalon sa sprocket na maaaring maging sanhi ng aksidente. Ito pa ang ilan sa mga bagay na dapat tingnan bago gamitin ang iyong motor. I-check ang fuel level para masiguradong walang tagas. I-check ang oil levels, brake fluids, and coolant. I-check ang throttle cable, replay. I-check ang ilaw at busina. I-check ang clutch lever, replay. Siguraduhin smooth steering movement at pakiramdaman kung may pumipigil. I-check ang brake hoses kung may tagas.
These simple care tips will help you keep your bike in its tip-top condition. It's still best to visit your trusted professional mechanic based on its prescribed maintenance schedule. Start developing these habits now. Remember that by taking care of your motorcycle, you are also taking care of yourself as you ensure that your every ride is safe and smooth. Another public service tip from Motomagph Philippines and its efforts to promote safe driving.